This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about flatware holders, specifically these bamboo flatware holders. And we have three different styles to show you. The first is the rectangle. It's 8 1/4 by 5 1/2 by 4 3/4, and it features three lovely large compartments. And this one is available in the natural bamboo or black. We also have the holder with handle that features 4 compartments, has a lovely handle, so especially good for places where you might need to pull it into the back to refill it, because you can just grab it by that nice handle right there. And it's 8 1/4 by 5 by 9 1/4 and is available in the natural bamboo that you see. And then finally, the drawer organizer. It's 5 compartments and it's approximately 13 3/4 by 10 by 2, making it a great size to fit down in your drawers, to keep tucked away underneath a hostess station. That gives you those lovely 5 compartments that are great for doing things like putting out your different flatware pieces, tossing in some serving pieces or other utensils as well. And it's great for keeping stuff organized. This one is also available in the natural bamboo. These are all made from sustainable bamboo, which is also very durable, giving you a nice eco-friendly and long-lasting piece. The compartments are great for sorting silverware and other utensils easily, and they're great for use at things like your hostess stations, on a buffet, at a coffee or condiment station, or just in a home kitchen to help keep your counters and drawers organized. The bamboo lends a natural look with just a little bit of a rustic accent. And the neutral colors and clean designs mean that they're going to work well with a variety of decors and aesthetics, making this a stylish and functional option to use not only in a restaurant environment, but also at home.